A blockade begins, a warning follows, and suddenly the entire world's most critical sea route are at risk. While the tension between Iran and the United States, both the powerful nations, it has taken a serious turn, moving beyond diplomatic pressure into a potential maritime crisis. What started as naval blockade around Iranian ports is now expanding into a much larger geopolitical standoff that could really impact global trade, oil supply, and regional stability. Tehran has issued a strong and direct message. If the pressure from Washington continues, then the consequences will not remain limited to one area. Iranian officials have warned that key global waterways could be targeted, including the Red Sea, the Strait of Hormuz, and the Persian Gulf. Let me tell you here, these are not ordinary locations. They are among the most important shipping routes in the world, carrying a significant portion of global oil and trade every day. So, any disruption here, it could have immediate and far reaching effects, and that too on international market. Ladies and gentlemen, according to statements from Iran's military establishment, any attempt to block or interfere with its oil tankers or commercial vessels will lead to direct retaliation. This has raised concern among analysts and governments. As such actions, they could quickly escalate into a broader maritime conflict involving multiple actors. Well, the entire situation is particularly sensitive because these waterways they are used not only by Iran and the US but also by many other countries that depend on uninterrupted shipping for economic stability here. So, in the end, the current escalation follows the collapse of recent talks that was held in Pakistan, which were aimed at reducing tension and finding a diplomatic path forward. Well, instead of progress, the breakdown of negotiations appeared to have hardened position on both the ends, with diplomatic silence now being replaced by military signaling and public warning.